Hello friends, welcome to PKM Education YouTube channel, and today we are discussing about the shortcut method to find the HCF. My name is Padma Umar. Okay, we can start our class. First I am explaining what is HCF with a graph. Okay. In this graph you can see what is the highest one. Yes, here C is highest one. But here C having its height that is common for C only. Then we can take D. D's height is common for D and C. And we can take A. A's height is common for A, C, D. But here we want to take, here if we are taking B, B's height is common for R, A, C and D. And here an example of HCF is B, because this B's height is common for R, B's members. Then what is HCF means? It's a factor that is divisible with another numbers with them. The factor. Okay, I am writing an example. If I am taking 4 and 8, here I am not using conventional method or any old method. I am taking the shortcut for finding HCF. Okay, here I am directly saying 4 is the HCF, because using this shortcut method you want to check the smallest number is divisible with the biggest number. Okay, the smallest number is divisible. Okay, here the condition is true. Okay, 2 is totally divisible. Then we can say the 4 is the HCF of these two numbers. Okay, we can try another question. Okay, I am taking 12, 20, 40. Okay, here 12 is not divisible in these two numbers. If this condition is false, we want to take the factors of 12, the nearest factor of 12 that is divisible by this another numbers. Okay, what is factor? If here we can write 6 into 2 is 12. Then we want to check. No, this is not possible. 6 is not divisible in 20 and 40. Then we want to take nearest number. Okay, 4 into 3. 4 into 3 is 12. Okay, we can take 4 here. Then we want to find divisibility. Okay, 4 is 3 times. 4 in 20 is 9 times. Okay, this one true, this one true. And 4 in 40 is 40 by 4 is 10. This one also true. Okay, then we can say 4 is the HCF of these three numbers. 4 is the HCF of these three numbers. Okay, I am writing another example here. This is the shortcut way of finding the HCF. Okay, I am writing another number 8, 10, 30. I will find. How you will find it? First, take the smallest number. 8 is not divisible in 10 and 30. Okay, first condition false. Then take the nearest one factor. Okay, is okay. 4 into 2 is 8. Then check. 4 not divisible in 10. Then condition is false. Second condition is false. Then take the nearest value. What is the nearest value? 2 into 4 is 4 into 2. And 2 is the another nearest value. Then check the divisibility. Okay, 2 is divisible in 10, 5 times. And 15 into 2 is 30. That is also divisible. 2 in 8 is also divisible 4 times. Then we can say 2 is the HCF of this number. This is the simple method of finding HCF. You can use this method in your exams like PSC exam, HSC exam, GATE exam, or another quantitative aptitude exam. This is the simplest method to find HCF. You can find any number. Okay, hope you are understanding this one. Okay, I am writing some questions here. Eight, 7, 30. We need to find it in this fact. Okay, first we take the smallest number. Okay, I have taken smallest number. Then 7 is not divisible in 30 and 8. Then what will we do? Take the factor. Okay, here 7 is only one factor, 7 into 1. 7 is not divisible. Okay, then 1. 1 is divisible in 8, 7, 30. Then we can say 1 is HCF. This is the simple way. Hope you are understanding. If you didn't get the answer in first step, you want to take the nearest factor of the smallest number. Then check the divisibility. If there possible, the smallest factor is the HCF of this kind of numbers. Okay, hope you all understand. Then I am writing a question. You can practice in your own. Question number 1. 28, 30, 40. And question number 2. You can practice in your own. You can note this question. What is HCF? What is HCF? You want to find it using the shortcut method. Don't use your old method. 30, 90, 25. You want to take the smallest number and check. If not there, you want to take the factors of the smallest number, then check. If any factor is divisible, the nearest factor is divisible, you can take that is the HCF. Okay. You can note this. I am rubbing. If you are understanding this one, hope you all understand. You can practice in home. You can use any exams these kind of shortcut methods. Okay. If you are like my video, you can like, share, subscribe. Okay. Time for wind up. Bye bye.